there, my name is Abby and I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist at the Mind Study Center. I'd love to tell you a little bit about myself and my approach as a therapist. My top priority in therapy is maintaining the quality of the therapist-client relationship because the strength of that connection between you and your therapist is proven to be the strongest predictor of whether or not your treatment is successful. And so maintaining your trust and your comfort and paying close attention to the quality of our connection is one of my biggest priorities. I believe that above all else, you deserve to feel that the most authentic version of you is being seen, heard, and understood in therapy. And that in and of itself can be really transformative. So that's really at the heart of everything I do. Besides that, I'm also a trauma specialist, and the definition of trauma that I subscribe to is anything that a person has experienced as too much, too fast, or too soon. And sometimes that means a major life-threatening event, but not always. A lot of things can be experienced as traumatic. So whether someone's coming in with actual PTSD, or whether they're coming in with depression or anxiety, relationship struggles, self-esteem issues, I'm always trying to keep in mind that our minds and bodies have a certain way of reacting to the things that we've experienced in life and continue to experience in life. So to me, it's really important to approach all therapy through that trauma-informed lens. So if you're feeling like there's room for growth or improvement in your life, or you're just looking for someone to talk to, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at Mind Study Center. We're here for you and we'd love to meet you.